Hello my friends, welcome to English Tour. Do you take the bus? Do you take off your jacket, or maybe you take up a new hobby? The word take changes its meaning completely depending on what comes after it. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 super common phrasal verbs with take and a fun way to remember them easily. So let's go. The first one is take off. It has 2 main meanings. Number 1, to remove something, especially clothes. For example, he took off his shoes before entering the house. And number 2, when an airplane leaves the ground. For example, the plane took off on time. Here's how to remember it. When something goes off or away, like clothes off your body or a plane off the ground, that's take off. Just imagine things going up or away. Next one is take up. It means to start a new activity or hobby. For example, I took up yoga last year. So this is the memory trick. Think of up as adding something to your life. You are picking up a new hobby and putting it into your life back. So if you want to sound natural, say I took up, for example, painting. I took up painting, not I started painting. Number 3, take care of. It means to look after someone or something. Oh, look at here. Look after and take care of. Both of them have same meaning. For example, she takes care of her little brother. So here's how to remember it. Imagine holding something gently in your hands. You are taking care of it. So this one has an emotional connection, so it's easy to remember it. Imagine holding something gently in your hands. That's take care of. Number 4 is take over. This one sounds new, but it's so easy. It means to gain control of something. For example, a big company took over our small business. It means to gain control of our business. Let me give you a visual trick here. Imagine grabbing the steering wheel from someone. You are taking control, right? That's what take over means, to take control or responsibility. And finally, take back. It has 2 useful meanings. Number 1, to return something to a store. For example, I need to take back this shirt. Why? Because it doesn't fit. And number 2, to admit you were wrong. For example, I take back what I said. So the easy trick here, back means returning. So you are giving something or your words back. So when you use take back or when you hear take back, it means that you are returning some words, actions, or objects. Alright, so far so good, and now let's test your memory. As you can see on the screen, there are some sentences here with the word take missing. And your job here to fill in the blank with the correct phrasal verbs. Just pause the video and fill in the blank, and after that you can see the correct answer. And at the end, tell me how many did you get right. So tell me in the comments. Okay, great. Phrasal verbs don't have to be scary. When you connect the verb and preposition with a picture in your mind, you will never forget them. So today we'll learn take off, take up, take care of, take over, and take back. Which one was new for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. And take up learning English with me every week. It means that to start learning English with me every week. See you in the next video. Goodbye.